My name is Thomas Fricke. I'm the commercial director of the EMA Pharma division. We are here at the CPHI in Frankfurt. Welcome to our booth. Okay, talking about the latest trends in pharma processing and packaging, everybody's talking about the pens and the auto-injectors for the obesity treatment. But that's only the trend from an injectable perspective. But there is also the trend in terms of oral solid dose forms like capsules and tablets, where we do also all the packaging. But this is only one trend of this special product. Other trends are the integration of AI into our new machines for automatic changeover. Strange enough, there is a huge trend in terms of high speed again. So what was missing the last years, we are going back to high speed in order to reduce also the cost for the pharmaceutical industry. So these are one of the trends, and still it's continuing to have the continuous production and for sure the sustainability. You will see here on the booth a lot of ideas how to reduce the impact on the environment. So the recent innovation only with a focus on packaging is how to reduce the possibilities of making mistakes. So this is why I developed the automatic changeover machines in the cartoning sector, where the machine is doing all the modifications, adjustments by itself. So we have reduced changeover times from 90 minutes down to 10, which is really fantastic. Then there is the trend also about the packaging of personalized medicines, which are exactly the opposite. Small batches, very small batches, very expensive drugs. And we are producing also machines for doing this kind of packaging in combination with all the regulatory efforts you need to do in terms of serialization, aggregation, and the quality control in the machine itself. I'm standing here in front of our video screen to explain the all-in-one pharma idea of EMA. It's a strategy where we are taking responsibility for the customer for the whole process from the beginning till the end. And we take the example of an obesity pen. It can be a single pen, multiple injection, auto-injection pen. So you could see on the screen that we are doing the liquid filling, the cartridge filling. Then when the cartridges are filled, we are doing also the assembly of the pens in the second step. And when everything is done and ready, we do the labeling, we do the sustainability packaging with using cartons, cardboard paper, and this goes until the pallet. So there is no better example to say all in one. EMA can provide from the first step of the process till the end everything. And you can see also here for which kind of device it is valid. This is also valid for the solid dose production, where we do the weighing and dispensing. We are tablet pressing, capsule filling, coating, blistering, and cartoning, palletizing. So our strategy with the size of EMA is we would like to be the partner who takes care about the whole process, and the customer has less responsibilities. Okay, machines on show at CPHI are reduced in terms of sizes because the booth is not the same size of an Interpack or Achema booth. Nevertheless, we took the chance to show our small machine, which is called Tile-X, which is filling cartridges, stopping it under a full isolator environment with no gloves and whatsoever. But it's not only the cartridge filling, it's also the assembly of small units in terms of pens. You can see here all the products, injectables, inhalers, whatsoever. And also the packaging later on, the cartoning. So on CPHI, smaller machines, on the other exhibition, bigger machines. Nevertheless, on these video walls, we show all the portfolio of EMA, which you could see in Bologna also. Thank you for joining us here. And as I said before, due to the fact you cannot see everything here, we have a website where you could see everything, www.ima.it. So that's where you find everything. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for looking to this video. Welcome in Bologna.